I'm going to read a book and I'm gonna read a book mean exactly the same thing. Let's break this down. The first part, I'm, is simply short for I am. And when you add going to, you're telling someone about a plan. You're saying, I intend to do this in the near future. You can use this for your daily routine. You might say, I'm going to have some coffee. I'm going to go to work. Or I'm going to read a book. Learning this pattern gives you a reliable way to describe your next steps and future intentions in everyday English. In everyday conversations, native speakers shorten this phrase. Going to becomes gonna. This is perfect for casual, spoken English when chatting with friends. However, stick to the full going to when you want to be formal, speaking carefully, or doing business writing. So, if you're planning dinner, you might write a formal invitation saying, I am going to invite my friend to dinner. But when you tell someone about it over the phone, you just say, I'm going to invite my friend to dinner. The message is identical. Choosing between them is about matching the social environment you're in. One strict rule, always use the base verb, like eat or read. Because gonna includes to, never add it again. I'm gonna to eat is a mistake. Say, I'm gonna eat. Also, don't change endings. I'm gonna eating is incorrect. Keep it simple. Keeping the action word in its simplest form makes your sentence sound correct and flow naturally to a native speaker. Let's test this in a professional scenario, like applying for a job. If you are typing a formal cover letter, writing I'm gonna send my resume is inappropriate. You must write the full version, I'm going to send my resume. Now, let's look at casual speech. Which of these two sentences is correct? A, I'm gonna to read a book, or B, I'm gonna read a book. Take a second, pause the video, and lock in your answer. If you chose option B, you got it. You remembered the rule. Option A includes that extra to, which we know we have to drop. Let's review the core rules. 1. I'm going to means I plan to. 2. I'm gonna is the exact same thing, but strictly for informal spoken English. And 3. Always follow it with a clean base verb. Now it's your turn to put this into practice. Go to the comments and write one sentence about a personal goal using the formal I'm going to pattern. For example, I'm going to learn English.